This is an options expiration day. That is what's driving things. Remember that when you see a Goldman Sachs report a blowout quarter, and there'll be no flies in the quarter, and the conference call will be good, and it's hugging 200, that's what that's about. I also see it. I mean, the Citigroup could break down here because of that. Obviously, I'm not happy, although I've done some work on Druskin since I wrote my piece on realmoney.com. I mean, he was a Sandy Weil guy, and if left unfettered, he could do something, but then again, he's held back by Krawcheck and by Chuck Prince. Not to be too insistent that the market's a little wacky today because of expiration, but the only stock that's really showing green on my desk is Texas Instruments. I mean, that's just the classic. And, of course, the stock tends to finish at the strike, too, but it's going up. That's a little illogical. I want to call your attention to a Washington Post article about drilling off the Gulf. It's the only one I saw. The research didn't pick it up. It's very clear that this is going to be a just total boon to all the drillers. Remember, the drillers are now trading independent of oil. I'm looking at Core Labs and thinking that is the momentum play going into year-end. I own Halliburton for ActionAlertsPlus.com doing nothing. I don't want to welcome you to the house of pain, but I do think the stock is very cheap. I'm marveling that no matter what happens in pharmaceuticals, it just doesn't seem to work. And let's extend that to biotech, with the exception of Celgene, and Genentech seems to have caught a bid because of the Avastin news on kidney cancer. In general, look, I think that this day's a wash. I think you try to figure out what's gotten to the strike that could then advance, whether it be Altria, whether it be IBM, although I don't really care for IBM, but I recognize it's got some momentum. And then just play it that way. This is not a fundamental day, or Texas Instruments would be down, and the rest of the market would be up.